First of all, good morning to each one of you present here. Respected Director, Father Dr. Abraham Alotil, Principal Mrs. Bonavisha Venison Ma'am, ANO Mr. Arun SL, PTA President Mr. Giri Kumar, and parents who are online and they are witnessing this auspicious occasion. Dear students, dear NCC cadets, and also those students who are online and who are present with us. First of all, I would like to thank the director, sir, for using such kind words for self as well as the 7 Kerala Battalion Kollam, and also for his gratitude towards our GSR and our SM, Subedar Major. It is an Indian privilege to have an NCC outlet in an institution which is such well organized. The motto of your institution is wisdom to win, we teach for life. A very good motto you have got. And similarly, NCC too has a motto, unity and discipline. Seeing all of you sitting in uniform, it reminds me of my school days. My initial, like my 6th, 7th, 8th, I did from Kendriya Vidyalaya Pattam Trivandrum, that is Kerala. And the state which has got such rich culture and rich traditions. And there is national integration. If you have to see an example, Kerala is the state where you see people stay in peace and harmony and they celebrate each and every festivals. We in uniform do celebrate all. So it is nothing new for you because now you are an NCC cadet, and that is, I wish each one of you the very best for that. The location of your college or the school is amazing. The infrastructure is state of the art. And in fact, it is an honor for 7 Kerala Battalion to have an institution like Brooks International. Now, I can also proudly say that I am also a Brookite and I am also part of the family of Brook Internationals. I've gone through the net and I've seen the school offers amazing courses for children. That is, psychological growth is there, reading skills, then sports activities. You have got football coach, skating, etc., badminton which you play. Then extracurricular activities also your school is involved in number of events, including meditation and yoga. Then weekly reading newspaper, penning your diaries. Now this is a school where we have students who have got a very strong foundation. And to top it, the result of +2 of your school is 100%. It speaks volumes of the director, sir, principal, and all training staff of the school. Now we'll tell you some benefits of taking NCC. Before that, I would like to thank your parents who have shown confidence in you and they have told you and motivated you to join NCC. I am thankful and grateful to the parents who have given you permission, and let me assure them that they will feel proud that their son or daughter who have taken NCC, they will see changes in their personality. Now, a few benefits of NCC are, basically, you will be doing various camps in NCC, where you will stay for 10 days camp. In that various activities, camp activities, you will have actual feel of the camp, including adventure camps are also there, like mountain trekking camp, etc. They are also held in NCC, including Republic Day parade, in which the junior division, that is JDJW, and senior division SDSW, they are selected and they can participate in that. We also have national integration camp. Basically, national integration is, we have got say 28 states. So all the cadets from different states, they get together on a camp and we meet people from different cultures, different traditions, different religions, different language, different customs, different traditions. So we learn from each other. So that also gives a lot of advantage to us. Apart from that, we also get involved in social service activities in the society, helping people in the society. Even during the time of pandemic, the NCC cadets, had done a very good job by helping people in whatever capacity they could, and also spreading awareness. Spreading awareness because we are the uniformed people. Now you people are also uniformed people. So what we do is we take up an issue and we start spreading awareness among the people. And thereafter we also will also get chance to do firing. Like director sir has assured us that a range will be made here and you will be practicing firing in your own range which will be made here. Apart from that, we'll be teaching you marching, the drill, which will improve your bearing and give you a lot of confidence. You also will get involved into various cultural activities depending on the festivals or the important national events. There also your active participation is there. Now NCC will result in what? Now you will say, sir, I have taken NCC. How will it benefit me? First of all, it will give you a lot of confidence, self-confidence. Then your overall personality development will take place. Also, you will have the, like all of you are looking so smart, and it gives you a lot of pride putting on this uniform. It will also help you to lead a disciplined life because NCC cadet means discipline. Our motto says unity and discipline. So people will look at you as an NCC cadet that here's a symbol of discipline. Then we also have something known as NCC Special Entry Scheme, in which if you get B grading or A grading in C certificate, that is in your senior division, then you can appear directly for the Service Selection Board, that is the SSB. And you can, after clearing the SSB, you become officers. Depending on your choice, you want to join Army, Navy, or Air Force. Apart from that, some people, due to family compulsions, they have an option of joining as soldiers in the Army, Navy, and Air Force. In that, again, written test is not there. Only medical and physical test which will be there. Apart from that, the state government uniform forces which are there in Kerala state government, there also you get a priority. Then admission in professional colleges when you go for, depending on the certificate you have done, the camps you have done, you get weightage for that. And in the National Education Policy 2020, NCC has been now taken up as an elective subject. I was in the previous unit in Bulandshahr, Uttar Pradesh. There was a Delhi public school. It was again a CBSE school and again self-finance school. There's a NCC as elective subject they have. So NCC becomes in your academic curriculum. Like any other subject, NCC will also be part of your subject as an elective subject. In Kerala, first we are trying in the colleges. Once the UGC or the State Education Department approves it, thereafter we will have it in the colleges first. Thereafter, options will be given to schools and other institutions who have NCC. So let's pray that all things fall in place and we do get some additional vacancies for senior division. In case that happens, then my first choice will be Brook International School, in case we get some additional vacancies of senior division. One must be careful. It is the pandemic time. Wherever you are doing, whether you are in school or you are at home or you are doing any social service activity or NCC activity, please follow the COVID protocol, because this is a testing time for us and we must look after each other. At present, physical classes are not permitted because of COVID protocol. Therefore, online classes will be there for your service subjects or NCC related subjects. So all of you are requested to please participate in the class, attend the class and gain as much as you can. Once again, really proud to see all of you and I'm grateful to Father Director Sir, who has been very, very supportive, and I'm very sure in future also we continue and we'll develop a bond, and entire 7 Kerala will be also a Brookite. Thank you so much. Have a good day.